he battle for the best high-performance pickup truck just got interesting now that the 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX has entered the arena. The Hellcat-powered half-ton has the Ford F-150 Raptor squarely in its sights, but until its blue oval rival adds more power and steps up its interior game, the Ram might rule. Rivalry aside, the TRX is an impressive and intimidating machine. Its body is 8 inches wider than the regular Ram 1500, and its off-road capabilities have been transformed. This is thanks to a stronger frame, an even more sophisticated suspension, and myriad other enhanced characteristics. The 2021 Ram 1500 TRX is also loaded with a seriously luxurious interior and packed with all the latest technology. The only question left is whether the TRX can fly higher over the jumps than the now seemingly obsolete Raptor. Ram has been teasing a high-powered rival to the F-150 Raptor since it debuted a badass concept truck back in 2016, but now the wait is over and the teasing has turned to reality. What's especially neat besides the fact it packs a 700-plus horsepower Hellcat motor is that the production TRX looks pretty close to what was promised. With intimidating inflated bodywork, a bed-mounted spare tire carrier, body-colored beadlock-capable wheels,